In this video, we will find the expression for input resistance, output resistance, and gain of series shunt feedback amplifier. Series shunt feedback amplifier is also known as voltage amplifier. This is the basic structure of series shunt feedback amplifier. As we are seeing, this structure has two circuits. A circuit known as amplifier circuit and beta circuit is the feedback circuit. This is the equivalent circuit of the voltage amplifier, which includes input resistance Ri and output resistance Ro and a voltage controlled voltage source AVI. Feedback network takes a sample of output voltage and provides a fraction of this output voltage back to the input by mixing this with the source voltage. This is the equivalent circuit of this basic structure. In this equivalent circuit, RIF is the input resistance with feedback, ROF is the output resistance with feedback, and AF/VS is a voltage controlled voltage source, where AF is the gain with feedback. In this voltage controlled voltage source, A is the gain without feedback, means open loop gain. So A can be written as output voltage VO upon VI, as written here. A equals VO upon VI. From this equivalent circuit, we can say the gain with feedback AF is equal to the output voltage VO divided by source voltage VS. AF equals VO upon VS. We already know closed loop gain or gain with feedback is equal to A upon 1 plus A into beta. A is the gain without feedback and beta is the feedback factor. Now we will find the expression for the input resistance with feedback. Input resistance with feedback is denoted by RIF. Input resistance with feedback is the resistance seen by source voltage, by this voltage source. So it can be calculated by dividing Vs with the current supplied by this source, which is II. So RIF will be Vs upon II, and we can calculate II as Vi upon Ri because the same current will flow through this resistor. And see another thing, Vs can be written as Vi plus Vf. Using KVL, we can write Vs equals Vi plus Vf, and at the place of Vf we can write beta Vo. So we can write input resistance RIF as Vs upon II equals Vs upon, at the place of II write Vi upon Ri. Ri is the input resistance without feedback. This can be written as Ri Vs upon Vi equals Ri. At the place of Vs write Vi plus Vf, and Vf can be written as beta Vo. So we can write Vs as Vi plus beta Vo. And since A equals Vo upon Vi, so at the place of Vo we can write A into Vi, because we already know A equals Vo upon Vi. In this way, input resistance with feedback can be written as Ri into 1 plus beta A. This is the expression for the input resistance with feedback. So we can say input resistance with feedback in series shunt feedback amplifier is the 1 plus A beta times of the input resistance without feedback. Now we will calculate output resistance with feedback. Output resistance with feedback is the resistance seen by the output terminal. To calculate this resistance, we will apply a test voltage source Vt at the output terminal. We will calculate the current supplied by this test voltage source, and we will set Vs equal to 0. When we will set Vs equal to 0, in that case Vi plus Vf will be 0, so we can write Vi equals minus Vf, and Vf is equal to beta Vo, and at the output terminal we have applied a test voltage source Vt, so Vo can be written as Vt. So in this case Vi can be written as minus beta Vo. This is the output section of the series shunt feedback amplifier for the measurement of output resistance with feedback. In this case, at the output terminal, a test voltage Vt is applied. We have to calculate the current due to this test voltage in the output circuit. In this way, by calculating the current I supplied by the test voltage source, we can calculate the output resistance with feedback as ROF equals Vt upon I. Since we have set Vs equals 0, and hence in this case Vi will be minus Vf, as discussed earlier, it will be equals minus beta Vo. At the place of Vo we can write Bt, so Vi can be written as minus beta Vt. Now we have to calculate I, means current supplied by this test voltage source. See here, the voltage across this resistor will be Vt minus AVI by taking reference the negative terminal of this voltage controlled voltage source and this test voltage source. We can write voltage across RO as Vt minus AVI. So current through RO will be Vt minus AVI upon RO, as written here. I equals Vt minus AVI upon RO. So I equals Vt, at the place of Vi write minus beta Vt. So it will be Vt plus A beta Vt upon RO. Simplify this, we can write Vt upon RO 1 plus A beta. So output resistance with feedback will be equal to Vt upon I equals RO upon 1 plus A beta. So this is the expression for the output resistance with feedback in case of series feedback amplifier, where RO is the output resistance without feedback, beta is the feedback factor, and A is the open loop gain.